Hey everyone, today we're diving into a quick comparison of two awesome Docker container management tools, Portainer and Komodo. Let's break them down and see which one suits your needs best. First up, we have Portainer. It's a powerful, lightweight platform for managing Docker, Docker Swarm, and Kubernetes environments. With an intuitive web interface, Portainer simplifies container orchestration, offering features like stack deployment, container monitoring, and role-based access control. It's available in free community editions and a paid business edition for advanced features. Portainer is perfect for users who want a polished, user-friendly GUI to manage containers across multiple hosts. Next, Komodo. This is a completely free, open-source alternative designed for Docker and Podman management. Komodo shines with its Git integration for stack deployments, built-in CI/CD capabilities, and a focus on automation. It's a bit more technical, requiring some setup for its core and periphery components. But it's ideal for developers who want version-controlled infrastructure and webhook-driven deployments. Now, let's compare them head-to-head. Portainer is easier to set up and use, making it great for beginners and production environments needing stability. Komodo, on the other hand, offers more automation and flexibility for developers who love Git and CI/CD workflows. For home labs or small setups, Portainer's simplicity wins. For complex automated deployments, Komodo takes the lead. So, which one is better? If you're new to Docker or need a reliable, polished tool, go with Portainer. If you're a dev who wants free, open-source power with Git-driven automation, Komodo's your pick. Try both and see what fits. That's it for today, guys. Like and subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know your favorite tool in the comments.